I'm not gonna lie, I think I've tried to film this intro like 27 times now. Anyway, it is the 1st of December. It is the beginning of the best month in the year. You can't even, like, no one can challenge me on that. Okay, maybe technically you can, but for me, December is the best time of the year. It's Christmas, it's sparkly, it's gifting season. You get to I mean, I hope that you're doing good throughout the year, but you get to do more good this year and just give to people in this season and make people feel loved and cozy and warm and fuzzy. And so here we begin Essmas stroke Vlogmas. I don't know what I'm gonna call it yet. But I just wanted to intro the video because some of the clips that you watch, they didn't necessarily take place today. It's 6 p.m. now. But it's about putting together my Christmas tree, which isn't done, but we're getting there. And I also just wanted to tell you that I'm not sure I'll upload every single day because I also want to spend time with my family and be present. And you guys know that I don't necessarily vlog my child. So I'll give myself permission that if this day is just really centered around family, I won't vlog, but I'm gonna try my best for myself and for you guys to be consistent and to vlog as much as possible. So with that said, I hope you enjoyed today's vlog. I also hope you subscribe and leave a like if you enjoyed today's video. Do I have anything else I want to say? I don't think so. Yeah, I'm really excited. And here's no, I'm not gonna give you a sneak peek because you'll see it at the very end of this video. But okay, now you can keep watching. Hey, okay, so I've just finished filming for Living with This and I have about an hour and a half to kill before my next shoot. So I thought, since Palestina is on my way to where did I park? Basement 2. Since Palestina is on my way to my next shoot, then why not go shopping for Christmas? So that's what we're gonna go do. We're gonna go look for pieces. I bought my tree from them last year and I think I got a couple of decorations too. I must have gone. Yeah, I got like the stockings, the Christmas stocking, what are they called? Christmas socks? Christmas stockings? I don't know. But I do want to see if I can make my house feel even more festive this year. So let's go. Let's do this. Okay, I'm at Palestina and I'm so excited. You guys, they've like freaking turned this into Santa's little home. I'm obsessed with everything. And they have like these little table layouts. Like Christmas ornaments that are just so extravagant. I love it. But look, that's what I want. I actually want those lights because the lights that I have from last year that I got off Amazon just do not work for me. But this looks really cool. I don't know if it really translates on camera, but in person it just looks so gorgeous. This is the plug. And this is also where I got my Christmas tree last year, by the way. Oh, and I've got these as well. A couple of these stockings, yeah. Love. This is the tree I have at home, actually. So that's that size is just ginormous. But this is the one that I have at home, so I definitely want those lights. Yeah, I think I'm gonna get these lights. They're just much better than the ones that I have. And there's nothing worse than a beautiful Christmas tree and mediocre lighting. So I'm kind of leaning towards this color scheme. Oh, I've got this. I've got this at home and another one. I don't remember which color, but I do have one of those. And I think every year it's okay to treat yourself to. I mean, it's expensive for one, but it lasts, and it's like a treat for your tree every year. So instead of buying like an entire, I don't know, bunch of maybe 50 or something for your tree, just like get a couple every year. Just for the record, this is not a paid for ad. I just really appreciate that Palestina goes all out for Christmas and I'm just shouting them out. It's one of the places that I will come to get Christmas ornaments, not where I buy everything, because again, you've got to be price sensitive, but it's just like, look at how they go all out. Just look at that. It's $8.50 for one. Yeah. It's that time of year, you guys. I'm just about to put up my Christmas tree. I also got, my little outfit together so that I really feel the most festive. And I'm just going to put a time lapse of it all. Mom, do you want to be on my vlog as you do all these like gestures, making fun? She's just making fun of me as I'm vlogging, but you're gonna be watching do you watch my videos even?
Absolutely.
Okay, good. Okay, now time for Christmas. And we're done. Also, yes, I still have that swatch of paint from many years ago. Well, many months ago, for being honest. Haven't figured that out yet, but I will soon. I will soon. I'm talking to people about that. But for now, how gorgeous is the tree? And now to put some lights on it. The lights seem a little complicated, but I've just like spread them out so I try and make sense of it. And the idea is to put this cable round the tree. So that's what I'm gonna do now. And then these bits, if you can just focus, this I'll detangle once it's on the tree, and then that's when I'll start spreading the lights. I think once I start doing it, it'll make more sense than me explaining. You guys, several hours passed. I forgot I was supposed to show you the tree. I was watching that Bikram documentary, which I don't know how I feel about Bikram. I've never been, and I don't know how I feel about going. If you watched it, you can comment down below. But here is the tree. And I have to say, I love these lights. They're so gorgeous. They were different, and I wouldn't say difficult, but different to try and set up. And I don't think I've done the best job with like making sure that it's well spaced out. But I do want to decorate this tree a little different this year. So I don't know if I don't know if you were following me last year, but if you were, then you know that this tree I got last year at Palestina, and it was 35,000 shillings. Now, I know that's a lot of money for a tree, but Christmas makes me happy. This tree will last for years and years and years. So to me, that feels like a worthwhile investment. No doubt about it. But the lights is where I was like, how much are these again? And they were 9,000 shillings. But it's long and they're so pretty. And I have to, in fact, let me show you what I mean. So I just had to show you guys what my light situation in previous years have been. This I got off Amazon and I thought was amazing, but it just was, first of all, there were two different colored lights. Was this off Amazon? No, I don't think it was Amazon. This must have been local. And one was like bluish white lights and the other one was warm yellow, but the warm yellow are so faint. This one was supposed to go up a wall. It didn't work. I got it off Amazon. This one, I realized that I bought white, and you don't buy a green Christmas tree some white colored lights to go around because it just looks so untidy and so messy. My point is I have bought one too many Christmas lights and it just didn't work out. So if this was me, maybe it was like 2K and another 2K, another 2K. In fact, these are two, so maybe 4K. Let me tell you, it's worth, in my opinion, it's worth it. My point was, this felt worthwhile. It is expensive. If you would just much rather get lights off Amazon or just get, I don't know, just lights off the supermarket at a much cheaper price, yeah, it's fine. As soon as I walked into Palestina this time around and I saw the lights, I wasn't even going in for lights, I was going in for ornaments because I like to collect. They have these beautiful, made in India, hand-stitched ornaments that just are, I just really like them. But I walked in, I saw their lights decorated so beautifully and I was like, oh yeah, that's what I'm getting. So my tree is decorated. So what I was saying, I don't know if I finished saying it, but what I was saying is I do want to get ribbons this year and try and fill it in and just have a really, just like a really grand Christmas tree. I I'm of the opinion that you can build your Christmas tree over time. So just like, instead of going and just spending so much money on everything this one time, so every year you just kind of build on it and get different things that could make it even more beautiful for the next year. So I'm gonna get these ribbons. I think I'm going to go to a fabric store, maybe Tile and Carpet, and just pick the fabric I like and have it stitched. There's one year I didn't even have it stitched. I just cut it up myself and it was messy, but it looked beautiful. Yeah, but I love it. I really like my Christmas tree. I just need to dress it up. All right, found the 2 fabrics that hopefully will work. Also, Nancy Moy's killing it. I was just on Instagram. Who is that? All right, okay, anyway, let's not get distracted. So, this I want to do table napkins with. Although, yeah, the fabric is so pretty. And I assume you don't have to have perfect, like it's just normal linen. And then this I want to cut up and use as like a ribbon for the Christmas tree, which may or may not be a massive fail. I'm not sure, but at least it was only $3.50 a meter for this. And this was like 1,000 shillings a meter, which, I mean, it's just napkins. It can't be that complicated, right? All right, so it's Sunday and I have been taking my time with this video because I've been like, do I want to do it today? Do I not want to do it today? But I think let me just start trying to figure out how to create a ribbon out of fabric that I bought from Tile and Carpet. But I'm about to just DIY the hell out of this. So let's see how that goes. Okay, I need to fix this part. So what I'm doing is I'm just cutting along this design, and I don't want too much of this extra piece, so I'll cut this off its waist, but I'll just cut and leave like this width, and I'm cutting like so. And I've changed the direction. Before I was taking it down, but what I've done, actually let me show you before we do this time-lapse business. Whew. What I've done now is I want to try see how it looks if I just take it around. I think that would look really charming as well. It's coming together. So excited. I did not anticipate that would be an arm workout, but I'm finally done. I've got 2 piles of the good fabric and the waste fabric, and now I'm just gonna take it around the tree. As you can tell, it's not that long, so even at the back, it ends there. So I'm gonna have to keep going, like, you see how I've gone round and come here? So the next one will be like here and go right. Do you get it? Anyway, I'm just gonna try fill up the tree now. I don't know why it just freaks out a little bit about focusing on the tree. I just wanted to step back and show you how it's going. But so I'm gonna even move further back, but I really like it. I mean, I still have to space it out nicely and just make sure that everything looks nice and even, but I'm just gonna finish this up and then I'll show you how it looks like once I'm done fiddling with it and adding the extra pieces of fabric, which at some point I panicked that I don't have enough. Oh, but I'll make it work. And I'm done. I mean, oh yeah, no, I need to like fix that part up. So what happened is actually I had to use some of the extra, this like plain fabric, because it wasn't going all the way around. So that's why it just doesn't bunch up the same. But I think all in all, it looks decent. Let me show you from like different angles. I mean, it looks better than it did just plain. So now what I need to add, if it could just focus, what I need to add are baubles, which I bought some, where did I get them? So these are the baubles I was talking about. I've just remembered I got them from Carrefour. I really like them. What I usually can't stand about these baubles is that you have to tie that string thing yourself, and I'm like, they could have just tied it, but I guess, I don't know, I guess it makes it cheaper. But I'm not even sure I'll use these pink ones. I just like them so much. I thought maybe for a different themed tree that would come in handy. For this one, I do want to try and stick to like icy, silvery tones. Okay, I think I'm gonna end today's vlog here. Wow, I'm so hot. Honestly, I wish I could have just done the vlog in my bra and tights. It's so hot. But I do want to finish this off with bubbles and sprinkle them everywhere. I don't think I'll buy more things for the tree this year. I think the next time we are investing in Christmas tree is 2020. Although I do need to find the topper. I'll find it. I'll figure it out. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's vlog. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. I want to try to put up as much great content this December. And if you guys are subscribing and liking, then it shows me what you're into and that you are also interested, I guess. But I'll see you soon. Bye.